dedikasyon at kahusay.
Yes, I warmly greet and welcome you to this momentous awarding ceremony of the Sinaglaya Award. This gathering is a testament to our collective effort to promote excellence and recognize outstanding individuals who have given their heart, soul, their whole being to education. Ika nga, bayan muna bago sarili.
Ipinagdiwang natin hindi lamang ang Gawad Sinaglaya. Ipinagdiwang natin ang mga taong nagbigay ng dekadang serbisyo nila sa pagtuturo, paggabay at paglilingkod. Sa inyo pong mga awardees ay hindi basta numero lamang. Iyan ay mga taong puno ng kwento, mga sakripisyo, puyat, pag-unawa, pagtitiis, at higit sa lahat, walang katulad na pagmamahal na bukal sa inyong mga puso.
On our 8th Gawad Sinaglaya, we glorify our Almighty God with heartfelt gratitude for leading SBO Binyan for 8 remarkable years and for blessing the leaders and team members who have toiled, nurtured, and developed our Binyanense learners, whether directly as a teacher or indirectly as a non-teaching personnel. Indirectly as a non-teaching personnel.
One mind, one heart, one direction. We are one for Batang Binyan.